Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Lightroom Classic CC provides many ways to edit visual changes you apply to a photo by using the adjustment brush, graduated filter, and radial filter tools. Many of the editing options function the same way regardless of the type of local adjustment you've made. Here are a few tips that can improve workflow when you're working with local adjustment tools. You can press the H key on your keyboard to show or hide the pins, graduated filter guides, or radial filter marquee. This can help you quickly toggle between a clean view of the selected photo and a view that shows important features and guides. You can also adjust the appearance of pins, guides, and marquees by using the Show Edit Pins menu within the toolbar. You can press the O key on your keyboard to quickly show and hide the mask overlay for the current effect. Alternatively, you can use the Show Selected Mask Overlay checkbox in the toolbar. When you have the Show Selected Mask Overlay option checked, you can also press the Shift plus O keys on your keyboard to cycle through a red, green, or white mask overlay. You can adjust the Effect sliders in the tool drawer to adjust brush and filter effects. Although you may set the sliders prior to applying local adjustments, fine-tuning them afterward can help you achieve the best results from local adjustments. You can also click the Reset button at the bottom of the tool drawer to remove all adjustments for the selected tool. However, keep in mind that clicking the Reset button at the bottom of the panel group removes all changes made to a photo in Lightroom Classic CC, not just the changes made with the currently selected tool. You can also remove an effect by clicking to select a pin in the image preview area and then pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. This can be helpful when a photo has several pins and you don't want to remove all of them. You can also click and drag a pin to move the center point of the effect related to the pin. This can be helpful when you want to fine-tune the placement of an effect.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.